Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm back with new Logitech stuff, and today I'm going to announce the all-new Logitech combination combo, the MK540 advanced wireless combination with the keyboard and the mouse. And what's to say except to unbox it after the intro and that kind of stuff, but I just want to say, every time Logitech bounces something new on the market, they designed a nice box, which is always appealing. If it's not a nice box, you just have that small thing that pulls you a bit back. Nice design on the peripherals, keyboard, mices, even headsets. They look always outstanding, and this is more for power users. And why it's so cool? Well, we will talk about everything after the intro, so stay tuned. And Logitech announced and pushed on the market a new product. It's the Logitech MK540 advanced wireless combo with the keyboard and the mouse. Now this is more oriented on the power users, because this is a normal size keyboard with normal functions, not a mechanical keyboard. It has a normal symmetrical mouse for left and right hand users, and it's a really cool set to have it if you have, I don't know, if you're not that much into gaming and you like to type a lot and you like to have both connected to the same unifying receiver, even though you can connect 5 peripherals to the unifying receiver, but that's not the whole point. I'm missing the point here. Now the MK540 has a keyboard. First, I'm really impressed with the battery. On the keyboard the battery lasts up to 36 months, and on the mouse lasts up to 12 months. And this is, I'm just talking without changing, of course, because you can just leave it on. If you don't use it, I don't know, maybe it goes into standby or something, but it has a switch, of course, to turn it on and off. So my prediction is you could probably go further, more than 36 months for the keyboard and more, but that's just my approach of thinking logically. Yeah. So let's open the box and, well, see a bit here, then we're gonna do a close-up and that kind of stuff. Now we have some, as I said, and I always repeat it, you have only one paper this time. It's important safety, compliance and warranty information. Now here in the box you have the what's actually in the box. You have instruction how to connect it, so you connect it to your USB drive, USB port on your laptop or your PC. You have the on switch on your mouse. You just have to remove that sticker that disconnects actually battery to the connector. You have the keyboard, same thing, switch it on, remove that sticker that holds the battery from connecting, and that is it. You can add more devices. As I said, unifying receivers can go up to 5 peripherals per one receiver. Now I did mention, and it says here, and I read it differently in the first document that I got for this, 36 months of battery life for the keyboard and 18 months, so that's even more than I mentioned first. Now this is really great. I mean, that's 1.5 years for your mouse and 3 years for your keyboard, which is kind of strange because keyboard is really big and it has all this. Probably because you're using a mouse more, I don't know what's the deal, or maybe you have more batteries in your keyboard and that kind of stuff. Of course, I'm going to use the keyboard in total silence so you can hear the clicks of the keyboard, and of course on the mouse you get the impression of the sound of the clicks, so you know if they're louder or quieter than usual. On the other combos you get the unifying receiver, as I said. Now the thing about this keyboard, it has legs, it has 2 heights the first one and the second one. I'm going to do a close-up just talking here quickly. You have a battery here, port that you have to remove this thing, sticker. You also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pads to keep the keyboard steady on your table so it doesn't move. As for macro buttons, you have the fast forward, fast backward, and pause and play button. On top on the left side you have the volume, mute, up and down, and also from F1 to F12 when you press the FN button you get macro buttons that you could use for, I don't know, forward, backward, what's this, copy, paste, save, print, anything that you desire. Everything is here that you actually need, not that you desire, actually what you need. The keyboard is nice. The keycaps are a bit higher than usual from this kind of set, but they still look flat, so for typing this is perfect. I'm used to typing on mechanical keyboards, so, and my fingers don't get stuck, but this is here perfect because you just, if you're used to typing a lot, you will get the impression that your fingers are literally sliding through the keycaps and you won't make a mistake by, I don't know, your finger slipping or catching on another keycap. That won't happen, which is really cool because loads of people, when they buy this kind of power user keyboards, they complain about this kind of stuff. But that's okay. I'm going to show you a bit of close-up when I type and that kind of. You also have on the right side of the keyboard, you have the on-off switch, so it's very easy and very handy to click it on and off. Some keyboards have it on the back, some keyboards have it on the right. I prefer to have it right here on top, so I just click it, press it, and that's it. The K270 wireless keyboard, which I have, is also the same thing. It has it on top, and that's why I loved that keyboard as well. This is really cool, and probably it's going to, this keyboard is more advanced than K270, but it's, I would say this is the advanced version, and it says on the box here advanced, so that explains everything. Let's go to the mouse. Now, as I said, this is a familiar shape for Logitech mouse, or whatever. It has left and right click. You don't have the scroll wheel that has the left and right click, which is very handy if you're browsing a lot through your internet browser or My Computer Explorer or something like that. It really is handy, but it wouldn't be bad if they placed like 2 buttons here, so it replaces the scroll wheel left and right. But okay, I mean, it's the combination for 70 euros, 60, 70 euros, something like that, which is really okay price for the keyboard. This is just, I would say the mouse is just something extra that you get to the keyboard, because in my opinion, keyboard here in this set is the main part. Now you have a scroll wheel, it has the middle click, it doesn't have that fall through and fast scrolling, but it has the middle click, which is also very good for, I don't know, new tabs or anything you actually want to place it on. The batteries is one AA battery. You get it also in your mouse and in your keyboard. The on-off switch, well, you can't place the on-off switch on top of the mouse like on the keyboard. It's right on the bottom, and it has 4 pads which are nice and slick, so it moves very nice. So guys, what do you think? Let's go and do a close-up, test the keycaps, how they sound. it's a wrap for today, guys. We had the all-new Logitech MK540 advanced wireless keyboard and mouse set. It just came out a few days ago, and it has a nice way of typing. As I said, your fingers don't get stuck. It's nicely almost flat keyboard, and it's really an enjoyment to type on it. It connects through unifying receiver, and you can add even more devices if you wish. I don't know, something from the MX series for a better quality mouse, definitely. It has macro buttons. It has on top oriented more on the volume and fast forwarding and that kind of stuff. And you also have the on-off switch on top, which is really cool. So guys, thank you for watching another video with me. I'm Dario. You can check the links below for this keyboard, for this set, of course Logitech website and their social media profiles. So thank you very much. See you next time and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.